Okay, so hi Andy, I thought I'd just go through this. If you can get the original Stewie with arms, or the one you've got in your animation, we should be able to work this out. It's pretty convoluted, but we can work it out. The way it works is that inside the rig there are a few different things you need to understand. One is you've got a thing called your upper arm and your hand and your lower arm, and we just need to find them inside here. So for example, we've got say the upper arm. If I type in star UPARM star, that will show you everything inside the rig that has the word upper arm, and we're going to dig down until we find one here which says Stewie RSL upper arm at, and you'll see the visibility is off. If we break that and turn it on, it gives you your arm back, and you can do that with the opposite side. This one upper arm at, and grab that one and break that one and turn it on. It gives you the opposite arm there. Next thing you want to do is to show the hands, so we type in star hand star, and here we've got this one, I think that's the one, and we can break that one, and there we go, there's your hand back. And just check to make sure that the IK/FK switching works, so as you go back from one to the other that the controls pop up. And down here we've got the other opposite hand, so you can go into here, break that connection and switch it to on. That way you've got your hand back. So that gives you the easy parts. The next bit's pretty tricky, you're getting the lower arm and the upper arm actual shape up going. So if we type in again star low arm star, it gives you, without the three, all the low arm stuff. Now the thing that we're looking for is actually a shape node, it's not a transform node, and it's not obvious as to what the right one is. Now I fiddled around with it and I think I found that it's Stewie STL low arm shape, this one here. But the thing is that they've hidden and gotten rid of all the visibility stuff inside here, so you have to go into your channel control and go into the locked and find visibility down here, visibility, and move it back in. Actually not visibility but keyable, so go down to keyable, find visibility and move it back into keyable so that it pops inside here, and then you can unlock it and break it. Don't think you even need to unlock it, I think I just locked it by accident then. And now when you switch it on, you'll get something, and I said I wasn't sure about it, and that's actually the wrong one. So let's just go up to this one up here, it's probably this one here, low arm shape. Same deal, go in, find your channel control, find the visibility in the list, move that across, break its connections and switch it on, and we have a lower arm. So we can do the same thing with the other side, so that's that one there. We'll do it onto this one here. Go down to visibility, move it across, break its connections and reveal the arm. And all we need to do now to get the other one is to substitute that to high, actually it's up arm, so high and low. And find that shape again. So down here we've got up arm shape. With my channel control still open, we can move the visibility in there and break it and make it visible. So there's your upper arm. And then the other one on the opposite side, move the visibility across and break it, turn it on, and there we go, Stewie with arms again. And always check to make sure everything works, because they don't always work. We get IK enable on, so I think that this thing here is broken between the IK/FK switching, but when it's in IK mode it works fine, and you've got your FK switching there, so that seems to be all good. And that goes arms, and that's all you need. So having said all that, if you were to have that same rig come back, just to save a bit of time, there's a bit of script. I just remembered all the things I just done then. So if you get all them down there, that's a list of them there. You can select them and you can press enter. Just get my script editor a bit smaller so you can see what's going on. So that's the upper arm on the left and right hand side, the hand on the left and right hand side, the lower arm geometry and the upper arm geometry on the left and right hand side. So if you select all that and press enter, you get your hands back instantly. Now, the only reason why I didn't jump to that straight away is because if you've done any namespace convention changes, or you've got multiple Stewies and you're seeing that that's obviously not going to work. So this will only work if you have an original Stewie named character. If it's not that, then it's not going to work. At least you understand how it works from the ground up so that you can do it yourself. So I hope that that answers your question, and I'll see you in the Q&A. See ya. Bye.